Hey friends, if you wish to view the Wi-Fi network adapter settings on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So you can get all the settings with one command, which is netsh space wlan space show space interfaces. Don't use any other method. I am telling you why. Because other methods won't show all the commands. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, now it will show the name, the description of the Wi-Fi platform, the GUID, the physical address, everything. Okay, even the connected profile and the band. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.